Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in today's video, we are going to see about a website in which you can work from home. That is, you can work online and you can earn a lot of money. Okay, so this website that we are going to see today is called Swagbucks. So it is a 100% genuine website. A lot of people has reviewed this site. A lot of people are working in this site and earning money. And from your phone itself, you can work. You don't need to have a laptop or anything. And you will get money for doing surveys, for signing up, for all these things. You'll be getting money, and it is a very genuine site. Okay, so I was actually searching for a genuine site to work from phone itself. So here it is. We are going to see about Swagbucks in this video. We'll be seeing all details, how all you can earn money, what is the Swagbuck points or SBs, everything we'll be seeing, and also how you can redeem this points, and what are the various ways. Everything we'll be seeing in today's video. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So a lot of people do ask me in the comment section regarding the websites that you can use from your phone and you can earn money. Okay, so a lot of websites are actually there, but most of them are scam. Okay, so you will get a lot of points, but you can't redeem that money, or you cannot use that points. So those sites are fake. But here, if you see about Swagbucks, a lot of people has actually reviewed this site, and it is a very sure, or it is a 100% genuine site. Okay, so we are going to see about the details of this site. The first thing is you have to register, or you have to sign up. Okay, in order to sign up, you have to give your mail ID and you have to just give a password. And for signing up itself, also they'll be giving you some Swagbuck points also. Okay, so I've already created, and I've done 2-3 surveys also. I've done 2 surveys. Okay, also I'll show you all those details. Okay, so first thing is you have to sign up. Okay, now if you have signed up, just use this login icon to log in. So I have logged into the Swagbucks account. You can see my SBs, or total points I have earned here. So here you can see a lot of surveys are available. The time duration of the survey also is given along with it, and the points that you're going to get is also given along with it. Okay, there are surveys which you can complete within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Likewise, it will vary, and based on the time duration, the Swagbuck points that you are going to get will also vary. And also another thing is that here, in order to verify your mail ID and phone number, also they are providing some Swagbuck points. Okay, I'll tell you where you can find the surveys. In the home page itself, you can find surveys, and other surveys you can find in this answer icon. Okay, see here, there is an answer icon. You can see the various Swagbuck points that they are going to give. See here, and the time duration also. Okay, so based on the time duration which you are comfortable doing, you can work. And even if you spend at least 1 hour in this site daily, you can earn a very good amount of money. Okay, so that is the biggest thing. So here you can find a lot of surveys, and other than that, you can see here there is watch, play. There is by watching some advertisements, and for other things also you'll get. There is for signing up to some websites. Again, they'll be providing you some points. Okay, and also there is another option called daily bonus. Just click on it. You will see some daily survey items are there, based on which you will get again Swagbuck points. Okay, so you have to earn more and more Swagbuck points, and then you can redeem this as either some gift cards, or you can directly transfer to the PayPal account. Okay, so here you can see there is a smiley colored thing. Here is your account, and you can see on top of it the points that you have earned. Okay, and in order to see the activity, that is how much surveys you have completed, what is the points that you have earned, just click on the activity icon. Okay, you can see the activities that you have done. See here what all things I have done. You can see again. If you want to see the rewards, just go to my rewards. Okay, so here you can see now my account, and below that you can see there is a rewards. Okay, just click on the rewards. I've not selected any of the rewards till now. So the various options available, I'll show you. See, these are the various options available. There are Amazon gift cards are there. There is PayPal gift card, Walmart gift card is there. So just click on the view all. Okay. Now you can see the gift cards of PayPal. That means you can get a card of PayPal, and from the PayPal account, you can directly transfer to the bank account. Okay. Or you can get some Amazon gift card or Visa card. So there is a renew card. All these things are available. Walmart, various gift cards are available. Okay, Apple gift card, Target. So various gift cards are available. So you can use it on either way. Either you can transfer to the PayPal account and then from there you can transfer to the bank, or you can directly get some gift cards from any of these online sites. Okay, so these are the various methods available. And there is also, it is showing gift cards you can afford now. Means based on my Swagbucks points, whatever I have earned, within that, what all things I can do. Okay, so just click on the view all. Now you can see various gift cards coming, which I can take based on the amount of Swagbucks points that I have earned. Okay, so I have only completed 2 surveys, which is very less, but still I have 162 SBs or Swagbucks points are there, and within that I can get the gift cards. Okay, these gift cards. Okay. So there is actually a lot of options available. Either you can go for a gift card or you can directly transfer to the PayPal account and you can get the money. Okay. So if you work at least 1 hour daily, you can very easily earn up to 4,000 or 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, so I'm talking about at least if you're working for 1 hour. Okay, so if you're working more hours, you can earn more amount of money. So you can do it as a part-time job, because doing surveys is very easy task. You can do from your phone itself. You don't have to use a laptop, or you don't need to have a laptop. Okay, so other than completing of just surveys, there is also options for playing games and also signing up to various sites and installing of applications, and all these things will earn you SBs. Okay, so there are various things or tasks that will give you more than 1,000 SBs. Okay, so based on this SBs, you have to do various tasks and you can collect maximum Swagbucks points, and then later on you can convert these points to money by either taking a gift card or by transferring to PayPal. Okay, so these are the various options available. Also, one thing you have to note down is that the email ID that you have created, there is email ID that you have used for PayPal should be same as that of the email ID that you are using here for registration. Both the mail IDs should be same. Okay, this is one important thing you have to note down. So this is actually a very good option for a lot of people out there, because many people was asking me regarding options or websites in which you can work from phone itself. So this is 100% genuine site. A lot of people has reviewed it. Please go through some review videos on YouTube. You can see that various review videos are available, and below those videos you can see various people has actually commented regarding the earnings that they have obtained. So you can also try this, because I have also registered to this site. You can do surveys and you can earn a lot of money. You don't have to do very difficult tasks. You don't have to spend a lot of effort and all. You just have to complete some surveys and you can earn a very good amount of money. Okay. So that's all for today's video. A lot of people has actually requested for this. So after a lot of research work, I'm doing this video. So I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.